Heyo people, welcome to my podcast Life Adventures. Start me. As you can see, today's episode, you can stop there. Today's episode we're gonna talk about snowy days in Batumi. We didn't expect, actually, we came to Batumi. As you know, before we were at Tbilisi, like for 1 month. It was not snowing a lot, just a little bit. Then we went to Kazbegi trip that I already shared. And we went to Borjomi, like another mountain, high mountain. We saw a little snow where we made a little snowman. And we were like, okay, finally we'll go to Batumi and we will have a lot of sun there on the seaside. And actually the first day we came, it was quite warm. But after 2-3 days, this is what we have. Officially, we have 50 centimeters and more of snow. Look at here, come here. This part I had cleaned this morning. You will see in the video that I shared. I cleared this morning and we cleaned it 2 times and we have like 15-20 meters more, I think. And over there it's not touched. Like zoom it a little bit over there. There is half a meter for sure. And it keeps raining. It keeps snowing more and more. As you can see, all the trees, they are under the snow, suffering. Let's help a little bit to these trees so they don't break. No, fuck.
What happened?
It's super deep, I forgot. We didn't clean there. So we're gonna make a snowman, like super huge one, not like the other day, like little snow, nothing. Con esa herramienta. Vamos a ver cómo respira ese árbol de nuevo. Así, toma el aire. Toma. Y tú toma.
Hey.
Okay, so we're gonna clean again a little bit later. And we're gonna make a snowman. So let's show you the street. Usually it is a little sunny. Look at there, we have the palm under 50 centimeters of snow. So we're gonna make a snowman over there. The funny thing is that the snow it's melting and from down, but from up it's getting even more. So it keeps going down, but from up, like it just gets more and more layers. And one very interesting thing from this morning was that from there I saw the darker clouds and I heard the thunder and I saw the lightning, and I was like, what? That's really weird, like to have lightning and thunder during winter when it's so cold. Actually my area never heard it. Usually you hear lightning and thunder like when the hot air meets the cold air, and I was like, but if it's only cold air and it's snowing, how is it possible? I never heard it in my country. And then our other parents from this house where we are renting the Airbnb, they told me it's normal. Yes, it's normal to hear the thunder here on the seaside when it's snowing like this. So it's a really new, interesting thing that I just found out. Let's continue with the snowman and let's share some more videos of snow. Yeah, we will need help to place this one together. All together.
All together. Okay, bro.
Okay, so on which side? We'll put it on this, like this, down. Yes?
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
La última.
Very soon, Marco.
Are the ice visible? Oh my god, it's amazing.
Yeah. I love you.
Time to put Markovka. Woohoo! Un poco a la izquierda, sí, coño, pone bien medio. Yes, there. Good, but put snow around so it doesn't fall off. And here comes the Snowman 2025. Her name is Pipi Madlova. Okay, so hello, Pipi Madlova here. Finally we did our work. It was not so hard because the snow is really sticky, and like once you start with a little ball, you just do a few meters, you already have a big ball like this. So it was really easy to make big balls, but to pick it
Or
up,
lift them.
it was not easy at all. So we had a little help, as you can see on the video that I will put it fast. So here is our final work. You can see Markovka, the carrot of the nose. So it looks really typical. We didn't put him the head, but it's okay. This is the bald one.
Yeah.
So it's probably, this is 2 meters, almost 3 meters, I would say. So good job for us.
Good job for us.
And as you can see, it's still snowing. This is like never-ending snow. It's melting a little bit, but I cannot imagine how much snow it's gonna be. So this is like a really winter adventure. This is something that I was really looking for, and I'm so happy that we are having this experience and that this year started like with so diverse, because I really wanted to snow, and nowadays it's hard to see like snowy winter with a lot of snow. And as they say, especially in this area, it's super rare that snows this much. So we are really happy that we are part of this weather and part of this experience.
Hey.
Y una cosa. One more thing, very interesting, is that it will keep snowing for a few days. So I cannot imagine how much centimeters we're gonna have. Probably there is even 60 centimeters, not 50. And it keeps falling, and it's gonna be for 3-4 more days like this. So wow, this is like from movies, and this year has just started perfectly with our trip. So we're gonna have like so many diverse different experiences, situations. Like this is one of those that you clean these stairs 4 times a day minimum. And yeah, honestly I hope it's gonna snow like more than 1 meter. Let's see.
I think it will.
So, Snowman, ¿cómo se llama? Pipi Madloba? Pipi Madloba went to the side a little bit. So we fixed it, we cut his head on half, we did some face surgery. So Pipi wanted a little bit smaller nose. So Pip, here you got it.
And there you got it.
Okay, this was accidentally, but seems like Pipi is not asleep. He's stopping. So the nose,
Where's
one, right here. Pipi, do you like it?
the dick?
Big nose, but small one. You cannot have anything big. So, we'll take care of them. To the clouds. We have a new storm coming.
The sun is hidden.
Yeah, as you can see there, more clouds coming. And that's from the seaside. Actually, the direction is southwest. Yeah, a lot of snow from southwest. This storm.
There, yeah.
Huh?
different. Ready?
Okay, so here we will do the challenge. Put the face in the clean snow. So that's how it goes. Oh, it's like with this, your
But your face
I
is
don't see.
invisible there.
why?
I don't know.
Just a little bit, yeah.
No, not even visible. I think you need to do it like harsh.
Breathe, freeze.
Really? Breathe. How you feeling? Are you good?
Good, but I didn't know it can get very freeze from the so cold skin.
Of course.
Usually when you drink something, I feel it. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, pero ¿cuánto? Take it off better. You don't have it in your forehead?
No, because I just...
What is the difference? Just big noses. Well, for us it didn't work. Now we are going to the seaside to check how is the beach with the snow. Storm, we have been telling, it's almost here. Just started the snow. So here we come. Yesterday day it was not snowing, it stopped snowing for a while. Last night, I mean it melted a lot, and last night we got again like close to 50 centimeters of snow. Big part melted, but you can see there's so much snow, maybe not 50, 40 centimeters, but it's still a lot, and there's still 2-3 days coming of snow. So our neighbors down, they told us it never happened like this. It was not snowing in this area, never this much. So it's the first time like it snows so much, and it's gonna snow even more. So it's a real snowstorm. By the way, we work online and we don't have internet for 2-3 days. And even on the phone, internet was not working the best. And also, from today, we don't have electricity and neither water. So our neighbors, they helped us. This is like one that we're gonna warm up for showering, yes. And this one is for drinking. The snow, I asked if we can drink it. They don't recommend to. So yeah, there it's really beautiful, and I feel really excited about the storm, but it has its pros and cons. We're gonna see what we're gonna do about the work.
Mr. Pala, how are you doing today? Tell us the experience.
I love it. I love to with the snow. And I hope all my life is gonna be like this.
Well, let's
I
hope.
really like it. Like in the morning, it doesn't seem like a storm. No, it seems like melting.
Sunny day, right?
Yeah. but
Wrong.
then, like out of there, like out of nowhere, the clouds come from the seaside and wow. So it's really a lot, as you can see. So we are trying to make our way to the shop because our grocery is finished. The only thing we have left are fruits, and you know what is the power with only eating fruits. Nothing against vegans, but we need some concrete food. You see what the willingness, what is the real doing for the food. Yeah, but generally I really like it. I really like storms. It felt so cozy last night, like snowing like crazy. But actually we got surprised, like this morning again, like almost half a meter of snow.
And this morning, even more than it has been for the last day. So
Yeah. Wow. Look at this, like how much snow is there. It's gonna fall off. Начинал. Okay, so we're gonna check how many centimeters do we have here. This is exactly 1 meter. So let's try. Yeah, this part was melting a lot, but I feel like here is the most, not touch snow. Ah, 70. Winter Wonderland. Alright, so here we are. This is the 4th morning since the snowstorm started. But this one is like serious one, the real storm with the wind, a lot of snow. And as you can see, all of this I cleaned this morning. So we got another layer. I'm leaving. Let's make a plate. I'm leaving the food to the birds. Since it's snowing so much, I have seen so many birds around, like without food. They're not used to this weather. So I'm gonna try to leave the food here and hopefully they will see it and eat a little bit, and hopefully snow will not. So these are some carrots that we made a chicken soup, so leftovers. So hopefully they will come. this extreme. I really like extreme weather. Like I'm crazy about storms and like extreme weathers like this. Of course, it's dangerous. 80 centimeters, yes. Like today it fell like 85 centimeters so far. Maybe even more. Again, we have close to complete. So I'm gonna try. Ready?
Go ahead.
How our grandparents and parents used to go to school. They always say this. They always say the stories how they were walking 10 kilometers in the snow like this. So now I understand my grandparents and my parents and people this age how it was to go to school in this deep snow. Now it's time for fast training. It's the, what is the name when you run fast?
Sprint.
Sprint. Now it's time for the training since we haven't been training for a few days. I was doing this workout of course, but I'm missing a little bit legs. Ready?
Go ahead. How do you feel, man?
It's like running in the water, but colder and a little bit easier. Wow. Okay, so this cyclone climate weather that we have, it's actually the side lake effect, because the cold air masses came from the north of the Georgia and Black Sea. It picked up the moisture and warmer temperatures above the Black Sea. It came to this area, and also in the video that I will put, you will see the spiral of clouds going in circles. So that's why there is so much snow these days. So the cold air is picking all this warm air masses above the Black Sea and bringing to the coast of Georgia and even to the mountains. So I'm sure it already fell more than 200 centimeters or 2 meters of snow, but it has been melting a lot. But today it's not melting, and we can see the true difference. I think it could be double than this if it was not melting. Here it hasn't been snowing for 20 years like this, but like this, maybe even longer. So it's like really extreme weather for these areas, because Batumi and this area, Seaside area of Georgia, it's well known for its mild temperatures during the winter. And today is Monday. Today is Monday. To wish the strongest peak of the storm, I would say. And there is no school. People don't go to work. As you can see, the road is impossible. Not able to walk. It's above the waist. So there is no school today and tomorrow, and I guess maybe more days. It depends on the next day if it's gonna rain or if it's gonna keep snowing like this. But one thing I know for sure is that I'm enjoying this experience and I like it so much. So I have decided to go keep walking at this storm. I'm so excited about this. My friend is not joining. He doesn't want to risk, which I understand. But maybe I'm risking too much. But I love this weather. I swear. I cannot miss it. Because this kind of things, this kind of weather is super rare. So I really wanted to experience walking in the super deep snow, because this is the dream from my childhood. My feet will get wet, but I won't stay too long outside. Here we can see the car. We got stuck in the snow on the road. I guess by decision. As you can see behind me, another car got stuck, and the weather conditions are not getting better. The road, it used to be clean. It's not so clean anymore. There is no cars, no anyone. So I guess everything is closed today. Many homes are out of electricity and water, and without internet like us already for a few days. So it really is extreme. As you can see, Seaside behind me. Nobody has gone to beach today, but I'm gonna be the first one. So all this for me,